Welcome to our presentation of one of the best model cars in 1/18 scale, the Martisan Ferrari 250 GTO. Model cars are my passion. My name is Klaus Jeschke and I am the founder of Model Cars 24. We sell top-class model cars. Introducing the 1/18 scale Martisan Ferrari 250 GTO, a high-quality replica of the legendary Ferrari from the 60s. Meticulously crafted from sheet copper with real tempered glass, this model car demonstrates remarkable attention to detail and high-tech model building, the likes of which have never been seen before. Let's start by taking a closer look at the interior. These model cars have intricately designed dashboards that replicate every detail of the original vehicles. From the buttons and knobs to the instrument cluster, no detail has been overlooked. You will feel like you are sitting inside a real car. Underneath the body sits the Martisan Ferrari 250 chassis. The chassis has functioning steering, suspension, and a swinging exhaust. It is super detailed, as you can see very well from the carburetors of the engine. These model cars have elegant wire wheels and realistic rubber tires, adding authenticity to their look. In addition to black sapphire metallic, the Martisan Ferrari 250 GTO will also be available in 2 red paint finishes and a special Model Cars 24 variant with Le Mans livery. These detailed model cars offer a true-to-life experience for automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike. From the detailed dashboard to the wire wheels, realistic rubber tires, wired motor, prototypical stickers, and high-quality materials, every feature has been carefully crafted to provide an unparalleled level of authenticity. If you are a car lover, adding these model cars to your collection is a must. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.